Summer heat is becoming unbearable this year. Even walking outside for 10 minutes feels exhausting. I
I know. Yesterday I went out in the afternoon and the temperature felt extremely high. I saw many people struggling under the sun.
Yes, especially people who work outside. Delivery workers, street vendors, construction workers, they don't have the option to stay indoors.
Exactly. We complain about the heat, but they face it every day for hours.
That's true. Sometimes I feel we should do something to help them during this season.
I was actually thinking the same thing. Small efforts can make a big difference.
What kind of help do you think we can provide?
I th- the most basic and important thing is drinking water. In hot weather, dehydration becomes a serious problem.
You're right. Many people walking on the roads might not have access to clean water.
So I thought we could set up a small water station near a busy road.
That sounds wonderful. We could place a table with large water containers and cups.
Yes, and we can refill the containers throughout the day.
Instead of plastic cups, maybe we can use steel glasses or biodegradable cups. They are reusable and better for the environment. What do you think?
Good idea. That will help the environment too.
We could also offer drinks that cool the body, like buttermilk or lemon juice.
Lemon juice would be perfect. It's refreshing and gives energy.
And it's not very expensive to prepare.
Exactly. With a few lemons, sugar, salt, and water, we can make many glasses of lemonade.
I also think fruits would be helpful. Watermelon, for example, is perfect during summer.
Yes, watermelon is full of water and helps people stay hydrated.
Bananas are also good. They give energy quickly.
That's true. We can distribute simple fruits to people passing by.
Even if we can't build a shade, we can at least distribute umbrellas to some people.
That's a great idea. That would be helpful, especially for elderly people.
We can create small posters or messages like drink water regularly and avoid going out during peak heat.
We can place those posters near public areas like bus stops and shops.
Exactly. Even a simple reminder can help people take care of themselves.
Do you think we should invite our friends to join this effort?
Definitely. If more people participate, we can help more individuals.
We could create a small volunteer group for summer service.
Yes, everyone can contribute in different ways.
Some people can donate water bottles, others can bring fruits.
And some can help distribute drinks and talk to people.
This will also encourage kindness in the community.
I believe helping others during difficult times brings people together.
You're right. Even a small act of kindness can make someone's day better.
Helping someone, even with a glass of water, can mean a lot.
I agree. Sometimes small gestures create the biggest impact.
I'm looking forward to this weekend.
Me too. Let's make this summer better for others.
Absolutely. Together, we can make a difference.